Hi everyone, I'm Pedro Lemos from Pedro Lemos Restaurant at Porto, Portugal, north of Portugal. It is with great pleasure I'm going to show you one of our actual dishes that we serve on one of our tasting menus. It's the red mullet. For me, my favorite fish due to the flavor, the iodide flavor that it brings to our sense, to our palate. And we are lucky. We are just really near of the shore of the ocean, and we can work with the local fishes, and that way I can receive daily fresh fish. It's a really pleasure to cook with a product like this. Also now we are entering the autumn season, so a lot of rain, but the temperatures are coming down. I prepare something we have done with the heads of the fish. We have done a sauce, and then we do an emulsion with it. It's an iodide cream. You will see when I'm dressing. Also the beetroots. The beetroots kind of pickle. We infuse them. We do the juice with the leftovers of the beetroots. Then we let them marinate in vacuum, in sous vide, with old vinegar, with the sugar and the juice of the beetroot. So I let it for 12 hours. It depends on the size and on the consistency of the beetroots. And this will be will be on the plate also. We will caramelize just before serving. So I will prepare the fish. Normally, one fish. So we remove the excess of the fish, and then we use all the rest of the fish in the stock. So that's no problem for us. We season with a little bit of Portuguese salt, sea salt. What we do? A bit of pepper also. Slow temperature. You can also do in the oven, but I prefer also the flavor of the pans, so we can control more the texture and bring up all the flavors. And I just want to cook a little bit. I want to give a little bit of temperature on the meaty side of the fish, because I will end with the fire before serving. I need to look because the olive oil was on the end. I didn't notice. During the service, what I do, as we have all the range on fire, so we keep it at a higher level. So we just want all the fish to gain temperature, because the idea is not to really cook the fish, just to give you the perfect consistency. So the beetroots, we start. As I explained, I wanted to caramelize, so a little bit of sugar. This is actually one of my favorite dishes at the moment. very simple action. The trick here is the infusion that we do before as we pickle the beetroot, so it becomes really tender and really flavored. So what I want here is vinegar is in traditionally in our gastronomy. Fire is off already, so I just heated olive oil, and what you do, so really slow temp. As you can see, it's starting to cook, really tender. Remove. And just before serving, what we do, the idea of the fire, because here in the north it's very typical, even in Portugal, to eat the fish, roasted fish, even in the charcoal. As I don't have charcoal in my kitchen, what I try to simulate is the fire flavor. As you can see, so I'm cooking with the fat with the fish. The skin is it's quite boiling. Like this, I know the fish is already very tender, very juicy. See all the juice from the red mullet and the skin getting out. Crispy skin. A lot of umami flavor here. What we have here in this siphon, because the sauce is so intense, as we use all the bones, the livers, and they are from the fish, and they add the bones, so we roast it in a pan, and it's very flavor, so we try to keep it lighter. So can I do like this? This is smoked paprika, very used also as a condiment in the Portuguese kitchen. So this is all about Portuguese flavors. Caramelized beetroots. Okay. We go for the fish. And then some greens from our rooftop garden. This is nostrum, sorrel. That is to bring also some earthy flavor to the plate. As for me, the red mullet is a rocky fish. So what I want, and people taste it, iodate flavor, really concentrated. So also to have this balance between the earth and the time of the season. need to come here and try. If not, please try by yourselves, and you see